Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Hi guys, my name is Michaela Scull. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be our house tour. We recently just moved to this home, for those of you that are new to my channel. It is a very small space with very little storage, so you will notice that I try to make use of every little space possible in the house. Now, we are a homeschooling family, so this is our large desk that we make very good use of, as well as our ball python. And we have our printer with extra printer paper, as well as some of the younger toddler books inside of some little IKEA bookcases. To the left, we have our bathroom, and to the right is the kids' room, which they all share 3-in-1 room. Now, I tried to keep the toys simple, but it's hard with 4 kids since they all are sharing a space. To the left is my bedroom, to the right is a storage space. And then here is our couch area. There's an unusable fireplace back there that we just wanted to cover up and make use of it as a wall. So we have our couch against it. Here are some of the younger kids' toys.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Now, we do have a 3-month-old, so I like to dedicate a space just for him. This area makes it so that my youngest can't get to his space, and it makes it a lot safer for him. Over here, I already did start decorating for Christmas, so we have a little Christmas scene going on with our bearded dragon next to it and our beautiful Christmas tree that we've had for the last several years.
Don't even care what we do.
Now, Remy is not very mobile yet because he's only a 3-month-old, so he only kind of just rolls around. So to our right, I have some Christmas decorations set up where I nurse him, his bouncer, and his swing.
To see you again, baby, this year.
This is his changing space. Now, I absolutely love this Hatch changing pad. It is by far my favorite changing pad that we've ever had because it could weigh him. This chair is so great. It is so comfortable, and the armrest is just perfect for breastfeeding.
Making our Christmas memories.
Now, heading into our kitchen, it is a little bit of a weird setup, but again, there is no storage space. I can't get into the cabinets that are directly next to the stove, and there are no shelves inside of here. So I have everything stored strategically everywhere inside of the little cabinet and underneath the space, as well as this rolling cart.
Thinking alone with my drink as
This rolling cart I got from Target several years ago for baby's side shelf inside of our bedroom. I still used it for that previously. I just moved it into the kitchen. I also have the drying rack as well as the spice area next to our sink and our stove.
the talk of the town when I'm sitting here drinking. I can't help but think about you, about us, as I do this time of the year.
This is a little coffee cart. This is where I have all of our cups and mugs from the kitchen, as well as my little coffee setup. This little pantry, I just have all of our dry goods that aren't more neatly packed, that are in like loose bags and whatnot. That way it's just kind of out of eyes view.
that never came true. I am sitting
Here is our dining room table. We got this a few years ago when Esme, my daughter, was just a little baby. And since we don't have a pantry area, I just have everything on these little metal storage racks that actually used to be at my parents' house. So I'm very thankful that we have these because it allows us to have space to put all of our appliances. It fits everything perfect on it. To the right of it, there's a tote that has some Play-Doh and art stuff inside of it, as well as a tote that we use to feed our bearded dragon.
in my memory.
Here is all of our dry goods. I know it looks extremely full, but we are a family of 6, and it just, we go through food very quickly. So we always have it pretty full, and then it just flies right off the shelf with the kids snacking.
Do you remember we used to be near? You don't recall, you forgot as I'd feared. I don't blame you.
Now heading into the kids' bedroom, I have Thor inside of a crib still. He has the white longest dresser. Esme has the tan tall dresser, and then Christopher has the white tall dresser. This is Esme's bed. She absolutely loves Moana, and she loves her little princess bed, she calls it. And this is also the area where I keep all of the kids' books inside of it. Here is Christopher's bed. He loves his giant stuff. He also has some toys that are underneath his bed. These are just like extra things that the kids like to get out. Some cars are in one, and then in the other container, there's some baby dress-up stuff and some kids dress-up stuff that Esme loves to wear. We have their bobbleheads, their Hatch sound machine. That's Esme's dresser. That one is Thor's dresser, which I have his humidifier and an essential oil diffuser on. And then this one is Christopher's dresser. Now technically they are in the master bedroom, just because there's so many of them I wanted to have them have a lot of space, and it leads out to the washing machine area as well as a bathroom. Now I know this shelf isn't the most organized, but again, we just did move in, so I'm still in the process of doing everything. It's kind of hard with a newborn. It's just a basic shower with a sink. There's their toilet with their little potty seat that they use for nighttime, and the water heater is in here as well. Now heading into my bedroom, on the left side is the dresser that has all of our essential oils on it and our tarantulas. I love using Simply Earth essential oils. It's a subscription box, so I get all of my oils and stuff to make recipes from them. And we also have 4 tarantulas right now. Now, I love using this swivel bassinet. It's the Halo one. This is actually my sister's, and I've used it 3 times now, actually. This is the 3rd kid that has used it of myself, and then her kids have used it as well, and it has worked perfect. I absolutely love it. But on top of the shelf, our tarantulas are, some of them are very small right now, so they're just in the little vials. And then we have 2 big ones. It's a Poecilotheria ornata and a Poecilotheria regalis, for anyone who cares. Next to my bed, I also have the Hatch sound machine and just some extra baby stuff for nighttime as well, since I am nursing and I still change diapers at nighttime. It just has a few spit up rags inside of it, some wipes, and diapers. Now heading into the bathroom that's off to the left from the living room next to the kids' room. It is a pretty small space. We don't have an actual bathtub inside of our home, but it seems to work just fine. I have this little storage rack that I like to put towels inside of it, and I keep our toothbrushes on top of it. We got this shower curtain from Walmart, as well as our soap dispenser, our scale, and our toothbrush holder. Now that's it for our house tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.